Unraveling personality, a deep dive into traits. Ever wondered why some people are social butterflies and others prefer solitude? Or why some individuals are meticulous planners while others thrive on spontaneity? As we journey into the realm of psychology, we encounter the fascinating concept of personality traits. These traits, like unseen threads, weave the fabric of who we are, influencing our behaviors, interactions, and even our life paths. One pivotal theory in this field is the five-factor model of personality. Understanding our personality traits can give us a deeper insight into our behaviors, motivations, and relationships. Let's dive deeper into the five-factor model, a comprehensive tool psychologists use to study personality. Imagine personality is a vast ocean, with each wave representing a different trait. The five-factor model, often abbreviated to OCEAN, is like a map to navigate these waters. It stands for openness to experience, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. First, we have openness to experience. If you're the type who loves trying new foods, exploring different cultures, or dabbling in abstract thoughts, you're likely high in this trait. It's all about curiosity, imagination, and a thirst for variety. Next up is conscientiousness. Picture a friend who always meets deadlines, keeps their promises, and organizes their life meticulously. These are signs of a conscientious person. It's about being dependable, goal-oriented, and disciplined. Then there's extroversion. You know, those people who light up a room the moment they walk in, who thrive in social situations and are energized by interacting with others. That's extroversion. It's not about being loud or outgoing, but about drawing energy from social engagement. Fourth is agreeableness. Those with high agreeableness tend to be cooperative, empathetic, and value getting along with others. They're the ones who lend a helping hand, share their lunch, or offer a comforting word when needed. Finally, we have neuroticism. This trait doesn't mean you're neurotic in the everyday sense. In psychology, it refers to how sensitive a person is to stress and negative emotional triggers. Those high in neuroticism might experience mood swings, anxiety, or get upset easily. Remember, these traits aren't black and white. They exist on a spectrum, and we all fall somewhere on that spectrum. For each trait, they shape us, influence our behavior, and contribute to what makes us unique. So these are the five broad dimensions that describe human personality. But what about traits beyond these? While the five-factor model covers a broad spectrum of personality, traits psychologists have identified as other traits are also significant. Let's start with Machiavellianism. This trait is named after the political philosopher Niccolò Machiavelli, who advocated for manipulation and deceit. In his writings, individuals high in Machiavellianism are often strategic, manipulative, and focused on their own interests. You might know someone who always seems to be playing chess while everyone else is playing checkers. Next, we have the need for achievement. This is a trait that drives individuals to excel, to overcome obstacles, and to achieve personal success. Think about that friend who's always setting and smashing their goals, or the colleague who is perpetually striving for the next big thing. Then there's the need for cognition. This trait describes those who have a love for and derived pleasure from thinking. People with a high need for cognition are often intellectually curious, enjoy problem-solving, and tend to be thoughtful decision-makers. Imagine the friend who loves diving into deep philosophical discussions or solving complex puzzles. Lastly, authoritarianism. This trait refers to a tendency to prefer and even enforce strict obedience to authority. Individuals high in authoritarianism may value order and tradition and can be intolerant of dissent. Picture that teacher from school who was a stickler for rules and had a no-nonsense approach. These traits provide a more nuanced understanding of personality, highlighting the complexity of human behavior. They are not mere labels but powerful tools for self-awareness. They provide insights into our strengths and weaknesses, guiding our personal growth. Moreover, understanding these traits can enhance our interpersonal relationships, fostering empathy and mutual respect. Let's not forget that these traits are not set in stone. They can change and evolve over time, reflecting our life experiences and personal growth. Remember, our personality traits are not our destiny. They're just part of the complex puzzle that makes us who we are. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing.